Hi, Sarita Doe here to answer a few of your frequently asked questions. One I get a lot is the DIY accredited by another institution? And the answer is no. We are completely reclaiming degrees for ourselves and self-accrediting. So there's no governmental organization that says, yes, I can vouch for this degree and this expertise. And a lot of the times, a four-year higher education degree from an accredited institution is really important. For example, if anyone's doing surgery or, biophysics, astrophysics, doctors, you want someone perhaps that's accredited in that way. But for artists and for teachers, and for stewards of the earth, and for people interested in shifting the paradigm, those institutions are not serving us because they really focus on the mind and they don't incorporate the body, the emotional self, the spiritual self. And so for my DIY PhD that I started back in 2014 with my cohort David Whitaker, I wanted to study earth-based spiritual practices, and I wanted to find out how I could incorporate those with U.S. third world feminism, which was theory I was interested in at the time, and also plant medicine, and also ancestral learning, and also healing my relationship to myself and others. So this degree can hold all of it, and you don't need to know exactly what you want to study when you start off. And our process that we're offering in a 7-month course right now is a container within which you can clarify what it is you want to learn about and how you want to live in the world. So confusion is a great place to start, and we'll start exactly where we are with checking in on how we're doing. The process goes from checking in to calling in our guides, calling in our ancestors, calling in our highest and deepest selves, towards action plans, towards taking steps towards a goal, and then we follow up with completion. And so completion could look like a DIY thesis, like a book. My master's, my DIY PhD thesis dissertation is a textbook for the Ecocene, and so now it's birthing a school for the Ecocene. So a whole school could come from your degree. And the idea is that if you're looking for a cohort, if you're looking for a supportive environment, if you're looking for a consistent and rigorous education that can completely be compatible with exactly who you are, where you're at in your life, this could be a great container for you, and I would be so happy to have you in the cohort if it resonates. Otherwise, if you have a cohort already, if you're a real self-learner, you can do our 13 steps towards a DIY PhD that we just share for free. You can email us at DIYPhD@gmail.com for that. And otherwise, if you're interested in the cohort and want to talk more about your vision, I'm really happy to talk with you for the next few weeks. I'm doing one-on-one calls. So message me at Sarita Doe on Instagram, SARITADOE, or our School for the Ecocene email is TheEcocene@gmail.com. And early bird applications end this Friday, January 10th. And full applications are due in by January 24th. So jump into your higher education if it's resonant for you, if you're looking for a way to find consistency and connections through everything you're interested in. This is an interdisciplinary program, and you can shape it by participating in it to be anything you want. And it's a 7-month activation for you, so you can start with us for 7 months and then have a really strong practice and methodologies to support your incredible learning, and the amazing creative projects that you will produce will be fully supported by us. So sign up today at theecocene.org.